Hello everybody. Today I want to introduce my BBImageStory module. It's a module for displaying stories with images, and every image can have a text, and you can flip from one image to another. I show you some samples in a few minutes. We'll start here after the installation, which is done like every DNN module. I don't want to show it here. So we start with placing the module on the page. It's the same procedure as for every module. Here is a BBImageStory module, and you can put it per drag and drop to the page. And the first thing that you may notice, it opens the quick settings, which is new in DNN 8. Here you can define your settings, so you don't have to open the settings page from DNN and go to the last tab and then enter and save. It's all client side and it's much faster. What I first want to do here is to change the default image size to a smaller one, so it fits to my small display screen here. We have an image width for 420. And next thing, let's have a look at the scope. You can have your stories scoped by module with the normal thing, and but you can also change this to show me all stories in this module or show me all portal stories. Another thing to define how should the story be displayed is the template. We have two templates here. It's for the view of one story, and the second template is for if we have more than one stories that should be displayed in this module, how is the list defined. Later we can have a look at editing templates, which is possible so that you can have your own design. Okay, I saved this first, and so now I can start to add my first story. As you see here, we have a small red pencil. With this pencil I can change the mode between view mode and edit mode. So let me click here, and now we are in the edit stories screen, and I can add a new story by clicking the plus button. First thing, we have 4 fields that we can fill up. It's the title, this is mandatory field, the story, which is the story you want to show. It's text, it could be plain text or HTML text. And we have start date and end date. I don't have to fill them, but if I do, the story is displayed when the start date arrives and the end date is not arrived. So let's fill out my first story information, first story, and a short story, lorem ipsum, and save this. Okay, now it's saved, and as you see, you have some more buttons here now, and yes, you can add images to your story, which is a normal thing if you have an ImageStory module. So let's do this. We add some images, and here we can go with drag and drop, add some images, or you can do this with a normal opening of files. And I choose 4 images for this. As you see, they are added here in a list. You can see what is. You can remove them or upload them single, but you can also upload them all together. And if it's done, you see here they are shown under the story as images. If you want to change how they are displayed, you can do this with drag and drop, and you can write titles and information about the images like this, and also you can delete one if you don't want to have this. And yeah, if you save, you get the information, okay, it's updated successfully, and then you can view this image. It's shown here. Close edit mode to see it like it is. And you can click through the images. You see the image titles, image story, and the main story here. To get a feeling how which possibilities you have, I prepared some samples that you can import. I'll show you some. So we import some content. This is installed with the module in the folder of Portal Null, the 0, the templates, and first sample is iFixit. The templates, you can save your own templates, and they are saved together with all the templates, the display templates, all the images, all the texts are inside. So you get this all together and you can transfer your stories from one installation to another installation. So now here we have a sample for replacing an iPhone battery, and you can click through this story as a step-by-step guide to see what you have to do when you want to change a battery of an iPhone 6. Okay, I delete this and show you another sample. Let me import another one, the Yahoo sample. This sample is with more than one story, so I can show you the list display. Import. Okay, here we go. Yes, it's like this. Okay. This is one story from Yahoo News. I copied this, so please don't use it for production. It's stolen. Okay. This is some photos of the day, January the 12th, where I produced this sample. You have here a More Stories link, and you see there are more stories. You can click the stories in the list view, and there is another story where you can have a look at. So yes, this is a module, the main features. The last thing I want to show is the template editing. It goes from here, quick settings, and there's a button. This is only shown for a guy that has admin rights. All the other thing, editing of stories, is connected to display, to edit rights, but editing templates is only allowed for admins. So this is a full-featured editor with syntax highlighting, and it's plain HTML, and it uses these placeholders that Angular is using. So yes, you can VM, it's for view model .image width. There is, from the settings, you filled in the 420 pixel. It's set in here, and you have information about the image, like image active image.folder, active image.file name. You have a function to go to the previous index, image index, or next one. You can have at these templates, there are a few one with importing. There come the iFixit sample and the Yahoo sample. So have a look at it. It's not so hard to understand. Yes, you can create your own templates, give them a name, save this, and edit it and try it out. One thing you have to remember, to view how it looks, you have sometimes to refresh your cache because the browser is caching. So if something isn't displayed right, first try Shift F5. That often helps. Okay, thank you for watching.